Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy Arbi Kai Sabji. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 500 grams of Arbi, 2 medium-sized onions, 2 ripe tomatoes, and a selection of aromatic spices. This dish is known for its unique texture and rich, flavorful gravy. We will guide you through each step, ensuring a perfect outcome. Get ready to create a truly satisfying meal that's both comforting and delicious. First, boil your Arbi for about 10 to 15 minutes until they are tender but still hold their shape. Once cooled, peel and slice them into half-inch pieces. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and sauté 2 finely chopped onions until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Then, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, cooking for 1 minute before stirring in the puree from 2 tomatoes. This forms the rich base of our gravy. Now it's time to add the spices to our gravy base. Stir in 1 teaspoon each of turmeric powder, coriander powder, and red chili powder. Cook this aromatic mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the oil to separate, which indicates the spices are well cooked. Then, gently add the boiled and sliced Arbi to the pan. Pour in 1 cup of water, bring it to a boil, and then reduce the heat to simmer for 10 minutes, letting the flavors meld beautifully. To finish our delicious gravy Arbi Kai Sabji, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala and a pinch of dried fenugreek leaves for an extra layer of flavor. Garnish generously with 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro, adding a vibrant touch. This comforting and aromatic dish is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot with your favorite Indian bread, like roti or naan, or alongside steamed rice for a complete and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.